Hey you guys, this is ULA Spectre, and I have a present for you. This is the A&K M60E4, or otherwise known as the MK43.
My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Alright, to start off, this is the blazing orange tip, birdcage style. Also, what's cool on this gun, there is a MOSFET that can go from 12 RPS up to 22 RPS. The specs about this gun is it's a full metal construction with a plastic foregrip and a plastic stock. It is about 350 FPS with a built-in MOSFET going from 12 to 22 RPS. This gun features a full metal sling mount which can support the weight of the gun. It has a full metal bipod. This is the plastic handguard which has a built-in foregrip. It features a full metal carry handle which can support the weight of the gun with a comfortable thingy. It has a full metal back iron sight which can be adjusted for elevation and windage, and a front iron sight. If you flip up the M60's full metal cover, you can get to the dummy rounder, where if you put in 7.62 dummy bullets, it'll make your gun look awesome. And thanks to this gun's design, you can reach the gearbox and the hop-up unit very easily. This is the box mag, which is also used as the battery compartment. It can hold up to 3,500 rounds. As you can see here, there are not that many. This cord is what tells the gun from the battery to load BBs into it. It's an automatic winding box mag, which is pretty cool. Right here, if you just push the actual box forward, you slip any kind of battery, nunchuck, butterfly, anything you can think of. Lipos, it'll work great. This is an 11.1 lipo. Easy fit. Now, I recommend not using this on an M60 unless you want to break it. On this gun, the trigger has only two selective firing modes, safety and full auto. The trigger assembly is a nice polymer plastic. On this gun, it also has a dummy bolt catch. Mine's not going all the way back because it is broken. And that is the M60E4 from A&K. Overall, out of this gun, I would give it a 9 out of 10 because the cons on this weapon is that the weight of it is about 15 to 17 pounds, depending on how much ammo you put in the box mag. Another con would have to be the range. Only about 350 FPS, even with using 2.5s or 2.8s, it won't go very far. The range is only about 120 feet.